The year 2020 tied for the hottest year on record. This alarming spike is a clear signal of our changing planet. We are living in an era defined by human impact, an era many call the Anthropocene. Our actions are driving up global temperatures, pushing Earth's delicate systems towards a tipping point. The consequences, if we fail to act, are dire. The science is irrefutable. Our planet is warming at an unprecedented rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated naturally over millennia, the current warming trend surpasses any natural variation. This rapid increase can only be explained by human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels. This releases greenhouse gases, trapping heat in the atmosphere. This warming is not uniform. Some regions experience more extreme heat waves, while others face increased rainfall and flooding. The Arctic is warming at twice the global average, causing ice sheets and glaciers to melt at alarming rates. This melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities and ecosystems worldwide. The future of our planet depends on understanding the urgency of this crisis and taking immediate action. We must transition from fossil fuels to cleaner, renewable energy sources and adopt sustainable practices. The choices we make today will determine the fate of generations to come. We have the power to change course, but the time to act is now. Life on Earth depends on the natural greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere trap some of the sun's heat, keeping our planet habitable. Without this natural process, Earth would be too cold for life as we know it. However, human activities are intensifying this effect, leading to an unnatural rise in global temperatures. The primary culprit is the burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil and gas. These activities release carbon dioxide, methane and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases act like a blanket around the Earth, trapping more heat than necessary. The more we burn fossil fuels, the thicker this blanket becomes and the warmer our planet gets. Deforestation further exacerbates the problem. Trees play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When forests are cut down or burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, accelerating the greenhouse effect. The delicate balance of Earth's natural systems is being disrupted, with potentially catastrophic consequences. The scientific community has been sounding the alarm for decades. The evidence is overwhelming, and the consequences are becoming increasingly apparent. We are witnessing more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and disruptions to ecosystems worldwide. It is imperative that we listen to the science and take decisive action to mitigate the effects of climate change. The impacts of rising temperatures are far-reaching and increasingly evident. They extend beyond hotter temperatures. We are witnessing a cascade of effects across the globe. Extreme weather events, once rare, are becoming more frequent and intense. Heat waves are longer and hotter, leading to droughts, wildfires, and heat-related illnesses. The delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems is being disrupted. Coral reefs, vital nurseries for marine life, are experiencing bleaching events due to warmer waters. Species are being forced to migrate to cooler regions, disrupting established food chains and ecosystems. The loss of biodiversity is not only an environmental tragedy, but also a threat to the services these ecosystems provide, such as pollination and water purification. Human societies are also facing the consequences. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities, displacing millions and causing billions in damage. Changes in weather patterns impact agriculture, leading to food shortages and economic instability. The World Health Organization warns of increased risks of heat stroke, respiratory illnesses, and the spread of infectious diseases due to climate change. The situation is urgent, but there is still hope. By understanding the causes and consequences of climate change, we can make informed decisions and take meaningful action. It is a global challenge that requires a global response. We must work together across borders and disciplines to create a sustainable future for all. The challenges posed by climate change are immense, but they are not insurmountable. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the ingenuity to mitigate the worst effects and chart a more sustainable course for humanity. The transition to a low-carbon future requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing technological innovation, policy changes, and individual actions. A crucial step is transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources. Solar, wind, geothermal, and hydropower offer clean and sustainable alternatives that can power our homes, businesses, and transportation systems. Investing in energy efficiency measures can significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Protecting and restoring our natural ecosystems is equally vital. Forests act as carbon sinks, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Sustainable forest management practices, reforestation efforts, and combating deforestation are crucial for mitigating climate change. Protecting our oceans and coastal ecosystems is equally important, as they play a crucial role in regulating the climate and absorbing carbon dioxide. Individual actions, while seemingly small, have a collective impact. Reducing our carbon footprint through sustainable transportation choices, energy conservation at home, and adopting a more plant-based diet can all contribute to a solution. Supporting businesses and policies that prioritize sustainability sends a powerful message and drives change at a larger scale. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. We have a responsibility to act, not only for ourselves but for future generations. By embracing innovation, collaboration, and a shared commitment to sustainability, we can create a world where both humanity and nature can thrive. The time for action is now, and the future of our planet hangs in the balance.